So now I'm gonna unbox this other thing. This is from a giveaway I won like 2 weeks ago, and I received it a few days ago, so I threw away the box. I forgot to unbox it here on camera, but oh well. So this is from Nutra Champs, and it's elderberry enhanced what is this called, extract there. So it looks like this. It looks cool. Okay, so if y'all know that this berry helps with a lot of things, it's very healthy, and I can't remember where I've heard about it. It helps with a lot of things for your body that not a lot of people know, and it's not a lot of people want you to know because they're, you know, that's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, basically this is good for colds and allergy season mainly, but I think it also works for other things. So since I've gotten sick, I was like, I really need to take this and try it out. So I was like, I need it. So I happened to win the giveaway, which is cool. And it was kind of like a private one. It was in their Instagram stories, not really on their page. So this kind of smells pretty strong, but not really. It doesn't really smell like medicine. It looks like this brown, and it's a dropper. So you're supposed to use 4 of these droppers and mix it with water, and then shake it, and then drink it like that. So it tastes kind of bitter, not really bitter, just maybe a little bit, not really. I can't really notice a difference. If you can drink alcohol, you can drink this. This is nothing compared to alcohol. So, and the taste is not really that bad. Just chug it and don't really taste it, and you're good to go. So it's great. If you can't stand any taste, then just get their gummy version. But the gummy version doesn't really have a lot of milligrams, so it's probably not gonna work as effective or as great, to be honest, as this one, because this one has like 5,000 milligrams. Yeah, it has a lot more of the other one. So yeah, that's why I got this one instead. So I only tried it out once, because then the next day I started kind of feeling a little bleh, but I don't know if it's because of this or something else. So I stopped taking it, which I'm gonna try it out today again and see if I feel kind of weird. And if I do, then I know it's gonna be because of this, and I'll just stop taking this. I risk it because that's on me, that's how I am. So don't do what I do, okay? I'm just sharing what I used. Disclaimer, alright? So whatever. So this is okay. Hold up, let me show y'all what it has. This is the nutrition facts. Basically, it has vitamin C, zinc, and the elderberry. It has a lot. And the other ingredients are right here. So if you're allergic with any of these things, please don't try it out. Don't risk it. And it says to shake well before each use and take 4 milliliters daily, what I just mentioned. So yeah, I just go like this, and then I put it in a water bottle and shake it. I'll probably put a video here showing y'all how I did it. And I forgot to show you how it looked before shaking it. It would look kind of like brown or orangey, a little bit darker than what I showed in the video, which I forgot, but whatever. So maybe I'll do it today again. No, I don't feel like it. It's too much. But yeah, so this is vegan, it's non-GMO, it's made in the US, it's lab tested, it has like very great things. So this brand has other things, other vitamins, not just this, which they made me choose which thing I wanted, and it was hard for me to pick. So I was like, I actually need this right now, so that's why I picked this. But yeah, they had like things for collagen, and I can't remember. I'll put their Instagram and website in the description or here, I don't know. So I mean, I think you can also take it if you're not sick, so it prevents you from getting sick as well. So I guess it's kind of healthy. So, oh look, and it doesn't have any nuts, soy. Like a lot of people are allergic to dairy and like nuts and eggs and all that. So if you're allergic to certain foods, you can take this. So yeah. Ooh, this is like very good. It's kind of natural. It's very, very natural. So it's sugar free. It's not sweet at all. So if y'all really want a sweet version, you already know, just get the gummy version. And yeah, that's it. Basically, I think they have the pill version. I'm not sure. Let's see if this helps my cough, or like I kind of feel a little bit in my throat. It doesn't kind of go away fully, but I'm better. But I don't know. So let's see if this works. Yeah, that's basically it. And if this is kind of expensive, I think there's also in Walmart they sell a different version. It's kind of the same, but I think it's like the syrup version that it's like more medicine type. This one's more like an extract. So you can also go to Walmart and buy it there, but it's from another brand, and I think in Walmart it's cheaper. So yeah, I haven't tried that one. I wanted to try it, but then I received this, so I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna use this one instead. So yeah, if y'all use this and it works, please let me know. Or if, you know, because I don't know nothing about extracts. This is my first time trying out a vitamin or extract like this. I only take it in gummy version or pill version sometimes, not really anymore. Or what else did I take? That cough syrup version. Well, no, that's more medicine, so not really, but never in this extract liquid version. So that's pretty cool. But so yeah, if you have a low immune system like me, I get sick easily. Well, before I wouldn't. I'm noticing ever since I was, what, I can't remember, like I think an adult, I think I've been getting sick a lot more very easily, because I think like a kid or teenager, well, yeah, I would get sick obviously, but not as much as right now, I don't think. But anyways, so yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, okay, I'm just gonna end it here because somebody's listening to me and it's weird, it's creepy. So yeah, okay, I gotta hurry up and I have to do other stuff right now. So okay, bye.